The EC error code on a Carrier Optima Inverter AC indicates a problem with the electronic control system or communication. It's often related to disruptions between the indoor and outdoor units. This error signifies that the inverter compressor, which relies on electronic signals to adjust speed and maintain efficiency, is experiencing a fault. Here is a Carrier Optima Inverter AC unit showing the typical appearance with its display. The system includes various components, like the compressor and control boards, as shown in this diagram. Wiring connections between indoor and outdoor units are crucial for proper communication. When the EC error appears, it displays on the unit like this. Common causes include electronic issues and communication problems between units. Several factors can trigger the EC error in Carrier Optima Inverter ACs. The first common cause is communication breakdowns due to faulty wiring, such as corrosion or loose connectors between the indoor and outdoor units. The second cause involves power supply issues, including voltage fluctuations or inadequate grounding, which can affect the electronic control module, or ECM. Thirdly, sensor failures can occur with temperature sensors or pressure transducers that provide data to the control board. Identifying the root cause is crucial for effective troubleshooting and resolving the EC error. Before calling a technician, try these simple user-guided fixes for the EC error. First, power cycle the unit by unplugging it from power for 5 to 10 minutes, then plugging it back in. This resets the electronic control system. Next, check all wiring connections between the indoor and outdoor units. Ensure they are secure and free from corrosion or damage. Then, confirm that the unit is receiving the correct voltage, typically 208-230 volts for Optima models. Finally, use Carrier's Smart Home app for troubleshooting steps and remote reset capabilities. Carrier has released firmware updates, starting with version 3.2.1 and later, specifically for Optima Inverter models. These updates include enhanced diagnostics for error codes like EC. To update your AC's firmware, use the Carrier Smart Home app. This process is straightforward and can be done remotely. These updates improve error logging and enable remote resets, potentially resolving the EC issue without requiring an in-person service call. According to Carrier's reports, these updates address a significant percentage of reported EC issues, making them a valuable first step in troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting and firmware updates don't resolve the EC error, it may indicate a hardware failure, such as a faulty printed circuit board, PCB. The PCB controls all electronic functions in the air conditioner, and damage can prevent proper communication between components. Recurring EC errors, especially in older units installed before 2024, are often linked to PCB issues like corrosion, cracks, or burn damage from power surges. Replacing the control board or PCB can cost $200 to $500 for parts and labor. This is a more serious repair that may require professional service. Always check if your unit is still under warranty for potential coverage before proceeding with repairs. Let's look at some real-world examples. In the first case, a homeowner experienced an EC error after a thunderstorm. Using the Carrier app, they reset the system and found a loose wiring harness causing the issue. In another example, voltage drops in a commercial building triggered EC errors across multiple units. A Carrier firmware update was deployed, which stabilized the communication protocols and resolved the problem. However, some cases require more extensive fixes. In one instance, recurring EC errors were traced to a faulty PCB, necessitating component replacement. This highlights the critical importance of distinguishing between fixable software problems and underlying hardware failures. The trend is moving towards smart diagnostics and AI-driven maintenance. Newer Carrier Optima units log EC errors in real time via cloud-based servers, allowing for over-the-air fixes in many cases. By 2028, expect AI-driven troubleshooting where units self-diagnose EC issues via machine learning, predicting faults based on usage patterns. This proactive approach aims to reduce service costs and downtime significantly. HVAC experts emphasize that EC errors are often user-resolvable, frequently stemming from installation flaws. Early intervention using smart tools can extend the unit's lifespan. If you encounter an EC error, start with basic troubleshooting, check for firmware updates, and consider the possibility of hardware failure if the issue persists. Proactive maintenance and leveraging smart diagnostics are key to preventing and resolving EC errors efficiently.